chickens. If you like chickens, you'll like this song. It's chicken time. Chickens are the best thing the government has ever made. Fish are not real, but chickens are. I love popcorn, but I also like chickens. I found a 4-leaf clover and then I ate it. There's a monkey on my phone and his name is Hakeem. It's time for the song to start! Penis, penis, penis. I have a penis because I'm not a girl, I'm a boy, I don't have a penis. I'm sorry, what I meant to say is I do have a penis because I'm not a girl, I am a boy, I have a penis.
And I don't, because I'm a woman.
That's Benji.
He is a man.
I don't know what he's talking about. He has vaginas.
I have 3 penises.
2 banana every day, monkey don't cramp. One time I was playing Fortnite and I lost and I died, so I stopped playing Fortnite and ate Pepsi. And I like the Baja Blast from Taco Bell. I really like Baja Blast from Taco Bell, and it tastes very good, so I'm going to eat Taco Bell and drink Baja Blast. I don't want Pepsi anymore, I want Baja Blast. Wowzers, that was amazing, guys. So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout.